Miller 951684 Syncrowave 210 TIG MIG Spoolmate 150 Package Review. True multiprocess control. The weld looked fine until I flipped the hood up and saw contamination along the bead. I had switched machines twice just to handle aluminum and mild steel in the same afternoon. That was the last straw. Too many cables, too much guesswork. A friend in my shop shook his head and said, "There has to be a better way." Sound familiar? Switching between dedicated machines eats time and drains focus. You dial settings from scratch, hear the arc sputter, and feel that tight frustration in your chest. One fabricator told me he missed a small delivery window because setup alone took half the morning. That stings. Productivity slips, confidence follows. You start wanting one clean, controlled solution. That's when I spent real time with the Miller 951684 Syncrowave 210 TIG MIG Spoolmate 150 package and understood the shift. Don't just pick any multiprocess welding machine. Make sure it has AC/DC TIG capability so you never experience aluminum weld limitations again. This unit handles AC TIG for aluminum, DC TIG for steel and stainless, DC stick, and MIG through the Spoolmate 150 in one coordinated system. The Pro Set and Auto Set features remove setup guesswork, letting you dial parameters confidently instead of chasing charts. Autoline MVP means you plug into 120 volts or 240 volts without rewiring, which matters on mixed job sites. The foot control gives smooth arc control at low amperage, even down to 5 amps for thin material. One shop owner nearly missed a repair deadline, then switched processes in minutes and finished clean aluminum welds without swapping machines. That's real efficiency. Arc stability feels deliberate. Control feels earned. Next, let's talk about what happens after months of daily use. After extended use, the biggest change isn't just versatility, it's rhythm. Your workflow settles. You roll the machine into place with the built-in running gear, connect the torch or Spoolmate 150, and start working without mental clutter. An industry reviewer once said the Pro Set feature takes the guesswork out of setting weld parameters, and that lines up with what I've seen in real shops. One everyday user told me it's the perfect welder when you need aluminum TIG and aluminum MIG in the same space, and he hasn't looked back since consolidating equipment. There is a learning curve if you explore pulse, AC balance, and frequency controls, but it's a productive curve, not a frustrating one, and AutoSet gives beginners a strong starting point. Some welders hesitate because it's a professional-grade investment. Fair concern. Yet when you factor in replacing multiple machines and the reliability Miller is known for, the long-term value becomes clearer. Downtime drops, setup time shrinks, confidence rises. That compounds. More shops are standardizing around multi-process platforms for flexibility. Have you considered consolidating your setup? Small shift, big payoff. If you're serious about aluminum TIG, clean stick performance, and MIG capability in one organized system, the Miller 951684 Syncrowave 210 TIG MIG Spoolmate 150 package makes practical sense. It's not about hype, it's about smoother workflow and fewer compromises. Many professionals and advanced hobbyists are moving toward true multi-process efficiency for exactly that reason. Results may vary depending on experience and application. Smart upgrade, lasting impact. Check the link in the description or pinned comment and see how it fits your shop. Then experience the difference today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.